Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a scroll wheel glitch on Roblox. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to of course open your Roblox client and join the game. For example, I will join All-Star Tower Defense here. And if you have a basically a wheel glitch, what you need to do here, you need to then once you are in the game, press escape and go to settings, and then on camera mode be sure to set up default or classic, and on movement mode you need to set up to default keyboard, and after that press resume and it should be fixed. And if it's not, then try to leave the game and then join again and it should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.